In the summer of 2021, the Max hosted its very first Sound of Success immersive music camp for 10 local high school students, based on recommendations by their teachers. Throughout the week, the students gained immense knowledge about the music industry through workshops, tours, journaling, songwriting, and the much-loved studio time, where they could explore and showcase their talents. Several special guests, including a Grammy-nominated singer, music industry professionals, and local singer-songwriters, shared their own stories, emphasizing that hard work and dedication are critical elements in making dreams come true, and that their dreams can truly change the world. The Sound of Success program at the Max gives students a first-hand look at how the music industry works, not only as an artist or performer, but behind the scenes as well. These insights will put them ahead of the curve in becoming successful no matter what career they pursue. The most impressive outcome of the week was what they learned about themselves and each other. The friendships and connections formed here will only continue to grow. Your support of the Max helps us accomplish our mission to showcase our legacy, honor our legends, and inspire the next generation of Mississippi artists. For more information about being a donor, visit our website at msarts.org.